Hi, my name is Scott with DynaScan. I'm here at ISE 2020 here in Amsterdam. I'd like to show you our digital mannequin application that we have on display here at booth 12E90. This is our 88-inch bar type. Model is DI881LT2. This is a 1000 nit brightness screen. It's half 4K, so you get a nice clear picture quality. It includes Android built into the monitor, so it's just a matter of loading up content and playing your video with kind of a plug-and-play application. It's available in a single-sided as well as a triple-sided structure that we have here. So it's visible pretty much 360 degrees around the display. As I mentioned, it's great for digital mannequins, retail applications. You get a life-size model on the screen. You can show off clothing and other products like that. It's color calibrated to the D65 color standard, so you're getting a very color accurate representation of how it was intended to be shown. So it's great for branding and showing off the colorways for retail. For more information on this product and the rest of our products here at DynaScan, I invite you to join us at dynascandisplay.com.